What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be taking you through Make Contact on the brand new Warzone 2 Season 2 map. For this, all we need to do is open our TAC map with the caps key and ping a contract. So, caps lock or tab to bring up this, and we'll ping a contract by left clicking it. When you've done this, you'll see the tick and reopening, there we go. So we need to find a contract phone and download the intel, then successfully complete a contract. You can do any contract for this and they'll all work the same. You just need to head over to wherever and complete the contract in order to get the reward. So I'll head over here. This is an eliminate HVT contract. Essentially, we'll be finding a person, an AI to get rid of, and they'll usually have some bodyguards nearby. So do be prepared for a little bit of combat. Now they're somewhere in this general area. They could be literally anywhere. There we go. They're usually dressed quite snazzy and somewhat well protected. So with guards around them, there we go. 1 HVT down. There we go. Mission complete. Make contact. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.